Hand grinder grinding test. First of all, the evaluation is hand punch. First, adjust the gear of the bean grinder. 0 first, 28 files counterclockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, weigh 15 grams of beans. A normal bean grinder has a beam here. Upper fuselage here. Usually when you go to these places. That's 15 grams. Okay, a little more. Pour it out. According to this 15 grams, 3 grams more. This does not affect. And then grinding. Buckle up the handle. Start timing our grinding time. Okay, I've bottomed out at this point. Take a pat on the bottom support. It has been ground. It's 33 seconds. And then, next, it is to look at the uniformity of grinding.